Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. I want to start today's lesson with our Math on the Spot video.
Hey, Joey, what are you doing there?
Oh, hey, Professor Berger. I was told to write a story for my math.
Oh, fun.
Hey, would you like to hear it?
I'd love to hear it.
Okay. Once upon a time, there was a mighty hero called Quincy. He was a famous space pilot who always flossed his teeth after meals. One day, when he was racing...
Wait a second. Wait, Joey, isn't this supposed to be math?
I guess so.
Well, how about if you and I try to write a math question together, a math story question together? Because the truth is, that I don't think was one of them.
Well, boy, that would be really fun.
So let's do it together?
Yeah, let's do it.
So let's write our own story question using just this model. And so you can see in this model, we see that we have this shape right here giving us a 5, representing 5, and this little one representing 3, and all together, 5 and 3 together, we see 8.
Okay.
So now we have to think of a story that we can make. So I'll tell you about my friend Jill, okay?
All right, let's see.
Because Jill has a bunch of stickers. In fact, she has 8 stickers. And so now we can think about a story where we could think, what if she gave 5 stickers away?
Oh.
So she likes to share. So here we start off with 8 stickers, and here they are represented by these connecting cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's suppose that she actually gave 5 away to a friend. So if she gives 5 away, so there's the 5 she gives away, then we could think about the question of how many is left.
Right.
Now, if we wanted to write that, we could actually write it this way. We could say she started off with 8, and now she gave 5 away. So that means
she subtracted them.
That's exactly right, Joey.
Yeah.
You are so brilliant. And now the answer would be what remains. And what remains, we can see right here is...
It's the 3.
Exactly. So these 3, in fact, remain. That's what we're left over.
Oh, and that's how it's a story. I see.
And now we can even check our answer by saying, what if we took the 5 she had, and we now add back the 3 that she was left with at the end.
Right.
So the 5 she gave away plus the 3, and 5 plus 3 is 8, and that's what she started with. So we could even check our answer.
Well, it's like telling the story in a different way.
It's exactly right, Joey. And so there, we wrote a story together.
I really like that. Hey, you know what we should now try to do?
What?
We should try to make a story about Pilot Quincy in speed.
Does he collect stickers?
Well, maybe he has 8 spaceships.
Have fun thinking about math. We'll see you soon.
All right. So for this lesson, let's see what we're going to need. We are going to need our big math book for sure. So let's go over our standard. Use addition and subtraction within 20 to solve word problems involving situations of adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, and comparing with unknowns in all positions by using objects, drawings, and equations with the symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem. And this is standard 1081. Our essential question is, how do you solve subtraction problems by making a model? Our I can statement, I can use addition and subtraction within 20 to solve word problems. For this lesson, you're going to need your big Go Math book. We're going to be working from pages 65 to 68, a pencil, listening eyes, and listening ears. All right, I am turning my page to page 65, and page 65 looks like this. There's a space for you to write your name, your first and last name. Make sure you know how to spell it, and make sure that you put a little bit of space between your first and last name, and we're going to get started. Problem solving. We're going to model subtraction today. Tom has 6 crayons in a box. He takes 2 crayons out of the box. How many crayons are in the box now? How can you use a model to find out? So let's unlock the problem. So let's think about it. What do you need to find? We're trying to figure out how many crayons are in the box now. What information do I need to use? I know that there are 6 crayons in the box, and I know that 2 crayons were taken out. Now, this is our bar model, or our part whole model. So let's see. We know that there are a total of 6. So that's my whole number. All right. So 2 of those crayons were taken out of the box. So now we've got to determine how many remain or how many are left. What is the other part? The other part is 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Let's turn to page 66. So we're going to work through these together. We're going to do these 3 together, and we're going to work through them. All right? We're going to read the problem. We're going to use the model to solve. We're going to complete the model and the number sentence. And right here we have some questions. What do I need to find? What information do I need to use? All right, let's look. There are 10 stickers. So that's my whole number, which is why it's right here, because it's letting me know that that's the total or the amount. There are 10 stickers. 7 stickers are orange. The rest are brown. How many stickers are brown? So I have 10 stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have a total of 10. 7 of these are orange. So I'm going to shade them in to represent orange. So I have 7 that are shaded in to represent my orange. The rest are brown. So the ones that are not colored in, they're brown. How many stickers are brown? What other part of that whole is brown? So I have a total of 10. 7 of them are orange, and the other part or the rest of them are brown. So let's see how many are brown. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the missing part. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2 is a little different. Some birds were in the tree. 2 birds flew away. Then there were 6 birds. How many birds were in the tree before? So let's look at this one again. Some birds were in the tree. It doesn't tell us the number of birds that were there. 2 birds flew away. Then there were 6 birds. How many birds were in the tree before? So before any birds flew away, what's the total number of birds that there were? There were 2. Now there are 6 that are there. So we're going to combine 2 and 6. So if I have 6 and then I add 2 more, what's my number? 8. So there were a total of 8 birds. So let's see if it makes sense. There were 8 birds. So I'm going to draw my 8 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have my 8 birds. 2 of those birds flew away. 1, 2. I just put an X over them. Then there were 6 birds. Let's see if I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do. So I just checked my work. So right here, the number 8 goes here, and the number 8 goes right there again, okay? So there were 8 birds in all. Now let's do number 3. There were 5 cars. Some cars drove away. Then there was 1 car. How many cars drove away? There were 5 cars. So there were a total of 5. Some cars, it doesn't tell us how many, drove away. But then there was only 1 car. How many cars drove away? So let's see. There were 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there were 5. Some cars drove away, only leaving 1. So let's cross out some of these circles until I only have 1 remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So how many did I cross out? I crossed out 4 because that means that there's only 1 left now, okay? So how many cars drove away, leaving 1? 4. Very good. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. All right. Let's look at numbers 4, 5, and 6. You are going to complete these on your own. All right? So remember, these are 2 parts. What is your whole number? Okay? For number 5 and number 6, you're looking for the missing part. Okay? All right? Let's look at our problem solving. These are you're going to do on your own. There were 8 spiders in the grass. Some spiders crawled away. Then there were 3. So there were 8. Some of them did not return, and it only left 3. So I want you to figure that one out. For your hot problem, I want you to come up with your own story using that bar model. And number 9, this is your test prep. I want you to find that missing part. All right, you guys have been great today. I hope that you enjoyed math, and I will see you next time with your math lesson.